Hi, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal about vocabulary. Some English vocabulary. Number 1, downcast. Downcast means sad and without hope. Sad and without hope. Downcast is an adjective. Adjective is a word which describes a noun. Downcast means low in spirit. Low in spirit. A person who is downcast is sad and upset. Look at the example. The children left sad and downcast. The children left sad and downcast. Downcast means sad and without hope. Number 2, lugubriously. Lugubriously means mournful. Mournful. It means in a sad and serious way. In a sad and serious way. Lugubriously is an adjective. As you know, adjective describes a noun. Lugubriously. Look at the example sentence. I wandered lugubriously through the streets. I wandered lugubriously through the streets. It means I wandered in a sad and serious way through the streets. Next example. The women are lugubriously discussing about the funeral. The women are lugubriously discussing about the funeral. Number 3, distraught. Distraught. Distraught means agitated with doubt or mental conflict or pain. Agitated with doubt or mental conflict or pain. Distraught is also an adjective. If you are distraught, you are so upset and worried that you cannot think clearly. Look at the example sentence for distraught. Vani is still distraught to speak about the tragedy. Vani is still distraught to speak about the tragedy. Next example. His distraught parents were being comforted by neighbors. His distraught parents were being comforted by neighbors. Next word, Woebegone. Woebegone means being in a misery state. Being in a misery state. Woebegone is also an adjective which describes a noun. So, the meaning for Obgone is sad and miserable in appearance or unhappy. Look at the example sentence. Rita sniffed and looked woebegone. Rita sniffed and looked woebegone. Next example. I looked at my friend's woebegone face. Next vocabulary. Wretchedness. Wretchedness. Wretchedness is an adjective which means deeply dejected. The meaning for wretchedness is deeply dejected or the state of being unpleasant or ill. The state of being unpleasant or ill. The example sentence is the wretchedness and poverty they faced made a deep impression. The wretchedness and poverty they faced made a deep impression. Next, she woke up early in a state of wretchedness. She woke up early in a state of wretchedness. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. If you find this lesson informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.